Have you ever noticed that when someone yawns, you suddenly feel the urge to yawn too? This is called contagious yawning, and it happens because our brains are wired for connection. When we see someone yawn, tiny mirror neurons in our brains react as if we are doing the same thing. Scientists think this helps us bond with others and stay alert as a group. It's not just a sign of being tired. Contagious yawning shows empathy and social awareness. That's why you're more likely to yawn when friends or family do, rather than strangers. Try not to yawn now.